So in the first look, I've paired these palazzos with this black self-designed woven top from All About You by Deepika Padukone. You can easily order it online from Myntra and this will cost you some 700-800 rupees. The structured handheld bag is from College Spring and these ballerinas you can easily get from any West Side store. This elegant style is perfect for any client meeting or a semi-formal office look. I've also tried to team it up with a tan brown sling bag which you may get from Zara. Gives a little color to the black and white outfit. Link to all Myntra items are also given in the description box along with their prices, and almost all of them are at discounted rates. Also, just in case you want to get these palazzo pants, you can easily avail them from Zara in about 1500 rupees. And now talking about look number 2, I have paired these palazzos with a wine colored summer blazer from Vero Moda which you may get from Jabong for around 1500 rupees. To give this a little more definition, I have added a brown colored belt on the waist and paired it up with black strappy block heels from Van Heusen, again ordered from Myntra. This look is perfect for any formal gatherings or if you are meeting someone for the first time. This will set a very good first impression. Now for the next look, I have paired these up with a knitted full sleeves olive green top from H&M available on their official website, and this small backpack is from David Jones which you can easily get from any Shoppers Stop store in about rupees 1800. These white sneakers are from the brand Dorothy Perkins. Link to their Myntra page is in the description box. This look is perfect if you are going on a road trip with your friends or family. Talking about this look, this elegant red high neck top is from the brand Dressberry, and I've teamed it up with this black shimmery gold chain sling bag. Both of these you can easily get from Myntra, the link to which is attached in the description box, and this look will be perfect for an evening coffee date. So for this look, I have teamed these palazzos with a basic black top from Zara and a red small crossbody bag from Mango which you may get easily from Myntra. It completely pops up the entire look of the outfit, and this look is extremely comfortable and will be the best for a casual outing. Also guys, if you're liking this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and girlfriends. Do let me know in the comment section which look you like the best. Now moving on to the last look, I've paired these palazzo pants with a floral black midi dress which is from the brand Dressberry, easily available on Myntra. It gives a very subtle Indian look to the outfit and is extremely suitable for an ethnic day look at office or college. So guys, that's it for today's video, and if you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it, don't forget to like it. Also tune in for more content and be safe.